Okay, I'm going to show you how to fix the missing age group issue in Google Merchant Center so that your products can show on Google shopping listings. I'm going to show you this quick and easy so you can show. So if you're logged in your Google Merchant Center, it looks something like this. You can see I've just been syncing mine and I've got a lot of products that aren't approved. If they're unapproved, you're going to have a lot of issues. So what you want to do, so they're limited. You can see my products are all limited here. And you might think, oh, it's okay, it shows, but it's limited, but you're not going to get the full benefit, which you want, of Google Shopping, especially if you start putting money behind it and running ads. So what I'm going to do is click here on products, and then I'm going to click on needs attention. So that'll sort it by the ones that need attention. You can see I'm going to have to appeal this because it's wrong. It's a shop local t-shirt that they say personal hardships. There's all sorts of things, but I'm just talking about the missing age group thing here. So let me just go to a product that just has missing age group, digital books not supported, no problem. So I'm going to go to this missing age group, and then I'm going to click on my product, and it's not clear how you fix it. All you have to do is click on this edit product button, and then see, you'll get this little message. Scroll all the way down, and you can do this for all the fields, but for me it was age group. And even though I had age group in Shopify, it wasn't pulling through. These are adult t-shirts, so I'm going to save it. And then Google's going to need to review that change. But then to make it faster, I'm going to just go back here, and I'm going to go to the next product that has this issue. So here's another shop local t-shirt. Click on edit product, show you, scroll down. There it is again. Missing adult, save, and that's all you need to do. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments down below. Otherwise, I'll catch you in the next video.